So people, we have about 3 or 4 live for share with you. You see me I say, but if me have enough time, me give you all of them. You see it. But one special me I go no is I want to tell me, because I go make you hear this and tell me if cheese Bvss Ivany secret without knowing, because somebody in our comment section say something to me and I say, John, I can't that go on, but I want to know opinion. But before me get into that, Blinga them and down them beat Lady P a little bit. I'm going to share that with Uno. You see me I say, them deal with Lady P away, because yesterday Lady P come on the live and Lady P talk about the other people them where I get support. And that always a Lady P cry on social media. Yesterday me do a video and me talk about it, and me did I say, yo, the people them fi try with Lady P still, because you can see say she a try, but she need a little help. You know what I mean? She needs some support. So the people them have to try with Lady P a little bit, but Lady P also have to put in the work, because she not go expect to just come on live and people just show her with gift. No, it not go work. So she have to put in the work and build her fan base. You see it? So that Dan them talk about and Blinga them talk about what Lady P say about them. You know what I mean? So I go get in at that. And then World Dog and Swisley, them put on a little competition. You understand me I say? And Blinga feel some type of way because she not in it. You know what I mean? And the people them on her live, them end up call Roger. You see me? And one bag of sitting go on. So we're going to just run through that quick and fast. You know what I mean? So we're going to kick it off with Lady P part, and then we get into the rest.
Lady there, me could have never cussed that lady blood clot because she put me in my place and me a stay up in my lane. The lady say, me a big great tone blood clot woman with the America a long time.
Everybody then say a great tone woman. I never young girl and look like 52.
She can accomplish what she has accomplished.
Can't accomplish what she has accomplished.
And come a ball for people money.
And me I said to myself, God,
14.
you know, and where would it have when me not have though?
Them a care back with name, you know, you fuck. Everybody name gone back already.
That's okay. Business, my love. Me now look.
Me worse.
Lady P go come for
when
them.
the woman say, me can never have what she have to pussy clad, me say me speechless. Me couldn't even say nothing.
Me know what Blinga. Me know what she have what you not have.
Her big mouth.
No, Blinga have edges and she not have none. That's the only.
You know what I want to do when I climb up on the car and drop through blood clot windshield. Because then too high.
Yeah, but then we do the blood clot over here too
Blinga
fast.
have edges and she don't have none. That's the only difference me see.
I think it's the braces, because me not have braces.
Me think of the edges. Me think of the big old balls.
Braces.
Like tap on head like a one big old.
She coming like the black man where used to sing in America and both the anime you can't find. Where the black man there and he can sing and dance and he always go, whoo! The black man there, so she tell him she favor, must see her father.
Murder! Somebody said no, I'm
going
to buy one.
I'm a good singer. Al Green in there, Al Green.
Elvis.
You have a see, no man, you have a same broad.
James Brown in him.
Eh?
James Brown.
James Brown, man, our father, man. James Brown. Elvis the white man. James Brown, man. Yeah, man. And that breed that she come from. James Brown.
Hey, Dan just come out with some dry ice.
James Brown.
Yeah, James Brown for true.
Yeah, James Brown, our father.
You see when them see this, I feel my face alone. I show you.
Yeah. They come from me already. I'm not looking up.
Dan, you sample to blood.
No, yeah, I saw them call me when me little enough sample, then call me when me little bit. The fish people, they all like fish vendor, then call me sample. Sample come here, come go shop for me.
I mean, me then cause, but me I tell you something what them do. You see, because I'm me alone, they see to face a show, they no class for me, you know.
No, sir. Hey.
Let me tell you, say, me see me name right up how much screenshot with Lady P. I like me, I say, Father God, you see how Satan Trang. Listen, you know, when me draw Lady P, no come for me. Oh, remember, when me did draw Lady P, and be sat on the paper, nobody no come. That's why I be the answer, you know. Me say, no, sir, make him tell, make him cuss and go on. You know, I'm feeling, make him cuss and go on. But
Hey,
me
more
really have to
while
go
me
see
dey funny
comment them and
live.
show people them on my live and say, look here, 100 hard comment, you know, and Lady P go for one comment when me answer somebody like comment, you know.
But look what she got now, Dan. She got to God now. That I make me a think if she okay.
Me say, no, I saw licking
No,
one with
boy,
that piece
because
of
she want-
electric wire.
Because she's
Nothing
trying
to do him.
to paint the picture as if say she
I
crazy.
saw
because
when
people
Rochelle
know say
get the
that's a
plane ticket, when
forbidden
Rochelle
ground.
get the money what they know say the same thing when she see Rochelle get the plane ticket, she not start mad and
All right, all right.
You don't take for give Rochelle money and look for when me they are beg I mean no I know because you no draw money for Ivany bumbo clock that
And
is
I hear
the
shit
mad
about. But when I hear tapping eyes, listen people on TikTok. Listen, no, this has serious something now. You hear what she say about, we know I go give Blinga, 43 lion for go mine TikTok
No,
police.
she said 45. A 45, she said.
45 lion for go mine TikTok police.
tell her.
No, me no son I no eat us, but
Too
people
long,
listen to
play
me.
a bad mind over here. Them bad
Bad
mind.
mind man, a bad mind.
Well, and if me did a mind TikTok police, people could make this make sense to blood clot. Anyone I wanna see police, Gucci out, Prada out, Fendi out, or anything out. You know see police I drive a Mark X. The only thing I see police have is the new iPhone 15 Max Pro. Like
And in new color, that's it.
and in new color. Make him make blood police put on a simple marina, some all navy pants, and him clocks them. What the fuck are these people talking about?
Bad mind.
So people, more asking a question. Wanna feel like say Lady P bad mind or she just feel left out because she a go through whatever she a go through and she need help and nobody to her rescue. Because she did forward pan live what year, you know, and a big money say she a go to Jamaica, you know, and she no get her papers yet to go back to Jamaica, and she come a big money for go to Jamaica, and then tell the people them say she use the money buy garments for her son, you see me, and after that me hear Lady P a talk about her papers, say she would get her papers a long time. So you see all of them trick the way she a try a trick people. All of them something they make people not believe in her and no want give her because them say, you know what I mean, Lady P a try to take them for idiot. You understand? And that make people not go and help her out although she needed help. You understand? So right there, so she kinda make it bad for herself. But yesterday me see her sit down on her live and she attack and you can hear based on the things that she a say she really need a little help because she have school to pay for. That if she a go to school, cause we not sure. Me not sure about that. Me not know who else sure if she a go to school. You know what I mean? She have a vehicle where she take out where she have to pay for and all these things. So she need little help.
And that a problem.
We do over
Nobody
here,
nothing
so.
do no collect no money
know
unless
what it is.
I can share
Yes.
this and nobody not give her.
Let me tell you what
Me
I
say the
realize
truth,
it
I
over
thought
here.
for sure
Ivany
empty
and mash up
fridge,
the girl
this,
brain.
You will come and want help, right? And you not get the help, and somebody else come and get it. And they
Exactly.
But you can't want help and not cuss people like that. You have to do like the other people.
And I
Them
tell you, like,
come and ball for.
Remember, say everything we do for Ivany, I
She
choose,
did
you know.
come off of the internet and go into the WhatsApp chat and did get 45 people in there to send her the money to buy the plane tickets. Listen good. The people them help her. Triple alone send her $300. I know the things them just not talk. So me tell people say me is the honest hypocrite. No.
At time triple have a waist.
So listen, she
That's
get
the
the money,
opposite.
right? And when she get the money,
For me, want $500 and it's not a prank.
when she get the money, right? When I know when she take the money, though, remember so she did go and go do car the other day and post it up and everything. Oh fuck her. Dan, me drive a nice fucking car.
Yes,
and
she do.
feel like some tired car, me want one SUV now, right?
Yeah.
You think say me I go take trade in my car and take a SUV and come park it outside of the road like how
Then
me
I
have
go a
sense
wall of
now?
black.
No.
Thank you. Me not do nothing for no blood clot TikTok. You're crazy.
That don't make no sense.
Come park.
You buy BMW and you can't find insurance. What the blood clot you do with BMW?
Talk
What
it
you do
through.
with BMW? I share a second somebody me see on TikTok. Uno buy BMW and uno
Maybe
have
she can't even
insurance.
drive it because the
So
car.
what I do with car? Uno dey on TikTok 24/7. So where car? Uno buy car for? For sure people say uno buy one car and that's it.
Tell her this,
We
man.
never see uno
Them
drive
people
a
You
car.
buy a
are
car, you better have money to
backward.
maintain it. Me
Them
nah
are
ask.
Me never see you drive a car till you go drive you over precipice. So that we give you money for you drive your car over precipice. Go kill your blood clot self and go.
And he don't want to kill no fucking self. That's
I lie, she lie, she not kill no
That's
self.
just for people say, oh my, and then you have this bitch up in the box. Your dog shit I want to catch you all over here. Have this bitch up in the box. You just have to pray and just talk to God.
But hey, every who have their sticker bush, you know. Every who have their sticker bush. Lady P have her confederate them over there, you know.
That's what
Every
you
who
do.
have their
Miss will
sticker
have
bush.
company,
They
don't
say,
you know?
no, I can't leave you like this, I can't leave you.
Jabba
And then
Bang.
big
Jabba
dirty
Bang.
mouth water, them a drop out her mouth. We can't leave her like this, we can't leave her like that. She need help. Where anybody can send if I have $10, uno go suck with the mobile wall uno. But anybody can
Hey,
send if I have $10.
God, I tell you, say, me must thief one of them wheelchair there out of the nursing home. Me
Yeah,
ask you.
I'm if I tell you.
And them
God,
they see me a push
Bvss.
somebody a push me in there.
I'm if
And come by yourself. And the people them give me
and bandage up your
watch.
foot and bandage up your hand, your
Wait.
handbook for
Wait, man, I have something for them, man. I have
and put
something
her
for
while I
them.
sit around your neck.
I have
Everywhere
something
blood,
for them.
blood clot. Yeah.
Lord Jesus. No, so
Hey,
not.
let me tell you what me see with TikTok and me gonna be honest with you now. I tell you what me see. Me laugh over it, but it's serious. Then come and then want help. And then come and then my police, nicest, quietest. You see,
Until
as
you
you
get
give them the
help.
money to blood clot, then go whoop them one alive and say, go suck on the move and come after this. Black that one, the mother, like I said, blood clot, you have all mother. Hey, say, how dangerous set of people they never say.
That's why me like how me stay
That's
on my
why-
right job because
that's
come up
why-
open the big and bowl. They beg me blood clot big. When me they act like do me
That's
a-
why.
Yeah, this is no, sir. This
That's
can't
why
right.
Stop cuss people because I tell them. It don't make sense.
No,
You
it makes
cuss
sense
somebody
to you.
and then you come back, come sit down side of me and play it up. Me not like that.
Yeah,
You
just-
Me no like.
Call it
Yeah,
a
you
day.
hit the name there. You tell people the most derogative name and call them out of the name and two I two person. That look
One of we are
bad.
big people, we must
And
get to
nobody
one
has
another mind. I
style
said, blood
Mr.
clot
Way,
thing, this
and
never
me and
right.
them, then you
You
might
know
say
that we are
it.
big people, we must
Alright.
can call one
You see,
another
if you
and
cuss,
back.
not only that, here what me agree with. Me and you can cuss, you know, down and throw it down, you know.
Yeah.
But it's when you're going to pick me settings
Me not like him either, yeah.
husband. Me not like
Me not
that.
like
Me
the
just
thing and
feel
the
like-
Just make it stay with me and you. Make it
Yes.
stay with me and you.
Me just feel
And
like
him other thing, me
alright,
no
it's
like it.
oh, me know
Yeah, people, me don't like the vibes they like them a bring the youth them in at the cussing and I disrespect the youth them. Me no like that neither. You understand? And Lady P just me don't know if you know that's a boy Lady P just bad lucky or what. I just not a people person. But it look like say every time somebody get some type of help, Lady P look on it and look on herself and then just come out with a style where she this people and say she not get no support and all of them something there. But she not be truthful with the people them. A very few people can get away with certain things. Can just make up something and come on the live and say yo such and people shower them with gift and things and send them money. But I know everybody have the same luck. So you maybe have to go come with a different style where you come show them how much money you need for pay upon your schooling, show them your car payment, show them this and people want to see proof. So maybe other way the Lady P have to go come. Because when me hear she say yesterday, she would have do well with the help. But You can't ready eye for other people things. You can't see other people you get stuff and you're jealous and ready eye. People not gonna like you for them type of style there. You can't see people that get help or people that trick the crowd and you bad mind them. Because for your trick not work.
Deceased. You see that something that the girl them cause about the data.
That is so
Me
sad.
don't like that.
So that's why Lady P do it in a week, yeah, because she think me got, like she said, look how she gonna run out now, I trick her, man. Only sometime it pop in my head, I know all the while, so when she come in, it pop in my head, so she can't stay.
But you're immune to it now, Dan, because
Yeah,
other people
no,
use it
listen
already.
this. Me's a Leo, you know, and listen this. Me we no cuss you today, no. And one day me just lie down in our house and he just come up and me say, me a cuss out in blood clot today now and me just get up with the whole time and them a say, so look for when that God and no me
I
ready.
know me remember for
I
cuss.
saw me stay, yeah, I saw me stay.
Me can't deal with
kinda
the
like
let me
that.
tell you.
But me nah give her what she want, no, she nah go get it.
Yeah, the pit.
Me
nah go
can't
get
take a lie them.
No.
I'm gonna ask them.
Me nah raise no dead. Me nah raise up back no dead.
Me say that
nah
long
raise
time.
no dead right
And
now.
you say, no, me I go do.
Everybody down have to stay down.
Me see me raise couple blood clot and resurrect some and the whole of them start for me. But here what me I do.
Nah raise no
What them
dead.
never
Me
know
stay over
say
there.
is them never know say me bury people too.
But listen, Mr. Bling, 2 days before Lady P come for me live, you know. Let me box it. That's why I say, baby, look. I know she blocked me. Where you bother block me for? Cause where you alright? For sure you say me don't even answer you, so you shouldn't even bother block me. Cause you fish to say me not even take it serious.
Amari go on our live, right? And Amari cuss me. And say so holy for something. And I want something trigger off me what Amari said. And I went, Amari said, bitch, remember you and your whole family used to live in my basement? You want your husband and your kids? Look, in my basement. I'm not going to tell her no lie. That jerk out the earth. But
I
guess
know
what?
say no go so.
But he jerked me, no, Dan. But guess what I say? Remember, she have a big platform and people are going to believe her.
Believe her. And they done gone out there
People
already.
them believe her. Derek take it cost me. Destiny take it cost me. Everything they take it cost me. And me have to say. All right, you see where
Thank you,
you know?
Kimberly.
Yeah.
You see where they went pretty done. Talk about my husband and my daughter.
Yeah.
Me no feel like say she should have do that because me I gonna tell you why. She says she's a popular person on the app and remember say some Amari go ball insanity when me do what me do. Me know that for a fact.
Mm-hmm.
The rest them who attack I go ball insanity again. Me know that for a fact. She know you're gonna hear how me wicked. I'm sure do this and all with the pan you saw entertain and play, but you don't do
But people
that.
have to know a limit. People have to have a
Don't do
limit
that
where to
because
go.
guess what? You know this fucking bitch
Yeah.
is lying.
People have to go have a limit where them
The
figure.
company podium. And then when me do what me do, I go say, but Bling, you cuss, listen how me cuss people. Listen how me cuss people. You never hear me a dip up underneath them family and people something. Them me not do that. And when me and you argue, you come from my family, the cussing done.
I hear where them for know to. Everybody on TikTok. Where makes sense, you go cuss me today and tomorrow we are friend back again. So you
You
should
don't want that neither. And that's what I said. Once you go pick me
we
with
are
me,
gonna just cuss the big pussy.
Exactly.
Fuck with girl that. And we done it. And next week we again. And we start again.
that's how it's supposed to go. You can't cuss me and talk them something about my kids them. And then you see if anything that I truth, you won't even feel no blood clot weird. But I show you how people wicked. People wicked when you retaliate back certain way you say, but Blink, it never did so serious. You never did have to go that the road. Let me tell you now.
So I never so serious, but yet still let me that run with the video and I share it and I post it and then see. So I know why everybody did to see it.
But all I know, and years now me I ask them to send, drop the receipt. Oh, Blink file can't come out yet. The fuck? Drop the fuck. Destiny have one picture of me where she's Photoshop, right? Yeah. And I walk. And I post. I mean, I say nothing because them are building platforms. So I don't really say nothing. Maybe it's people too.
Yeah.
But
You
know what make me dey laugh anytime you see me roll your blood clot. The 3 bell.
So that picture there, I want picture where Bling must see in one place. Remember which part she did there? And Destiny say he makes somebody take the picture of Bling. You see me? But Blinga say Destiny Photoshop the picture. But if you never see the picture, let me know what you think in the comment. But nothing really wrong with a woman with belly still, you know, cause I don't like say greedy make them get it. Them get it because them bring forth them youth. You understand what I say? So at that make them it's nothing to be ashamed of. You see me? So no woman with big belly not to be ashamed of it. If a man have big belly, I know him to be ashamed of it. But if a woman have big belly, that's nothing to be ashamed of or insecure about. You understand me?
Yeah, me sitting up on RTM party.
I see that the picture there. Boy,
Anytime I see the
Me
picture,
like the
them
lies.
roll
If you
the
go cuss me and tell me about what me look like or whatever. But when you go make up lies.
I remember say we don't know each other, you know. We don't know each other, so I just make up sit now and say, but you're not.
Blinga no laugh, me dey laugh half a year no, but when
me a try to tell you, me not sensitive them way they don't matter to me. Listen what
Yeah, just cuss.
when he start showing boot, I say, "Could be a blood clot." But
me show the shoes, me take up the shoes and show the blood clad shoes to the people them. Every shoes me show.
Blinga, I was at the function. I saw you shoes in real life.
Hey, so show you say people about take notice and everything. So when they did that artist sitting there, so I ain't get to see shoes.
Because the pictures out there. I never know that. I don't like
saying the boy they laugh at
the pictures
week.
was out there.
If people never sign out, hey, me I tell you say people they come
Hey,
here.
me say the 2 picture them me laugh till me ball to blood clot.
Well, all I say now, you know, say you can't have a laugh over it. As the Blinga that say, you can't use them sit there and do, but the family, if pity them when you
Yeah,
see
I did not right because
yeah, just let me pity them and cuss you and say what you want. So you picture the one.
Dr. Empress, it's not right. You know,
Yeah,
me
I true, man.
not funny anymore. Me I go stop because me I love with them too much. Them around too rough.
Too rough, yeah, like you said. No,
So me say, all right, done. People might think we call up and everything. Me not call up. Me just not entertain certain things anymore because me just not think it right.
because when you have to look at it up, you see the things them when the people them put out, remember them not go, them not going, them not going away. Remember everything the people them can go over YouTube. So it's about there as people put up your name, and that they say later on the people then come and put up their mother name and look at them and see about it. You understand? They like them just sitting there for 2 months. So sometimes better you just abide certain things for true and just say, so you know I'm just no matter with no cussing.
If you ever go make up lie and make up things because them, you don't have no style.
I like it either. You see how you're
You can't, you know, I forgot so far with you. You wanna with at the end like here, I wanna with see you.
With a bomber clock,
And TikTok see you more. If you should have to somebody, everybody are gonna come to me and say, Ratty, that's bad as thing, do whatever. We have a little follow, but that's it. Nothing more, that's nothing personal.
because in a fair thing, you can't see that this bad mind because first of all, that would pussy what we have before, that's a number one. And you will never get a pussy all you try.
Still, them a try to bring back TikTok, you know, for unite with the match what them a keep like a football. It really nice. Last night I watched it, and it was so nice.
I told the TikTok going to bill again. TikTok a blood clot go sooner than we think.
Among themselves, them are unite. Then now you are trying.
Then not unite. Then can't unite. Listen, them are going. Remember, I know when money that make on TikTok, then couldn't unite. And when the money are going, them are going to unite.
So you know watch it down. One somebody make 10 million last night. One make 5.
Anybody call you? You know much?
Eh?
Miss
You then call Blinga name or Blinga go for you.
Yes, I was supposed to be in the match, but I'm not in there, and I got called for the match.
Okay.
Yeah, man, Blinga name call, man. Me hear them call out Blinga name.
Yes, but me not make it, so me don't know why me not make it, but it's fine.
Tuffy that name, Tuffy win fee match last night. May I tell you, say, blood clot, gift like fuckery. Yeah, bro, win
It
feel
shouldn't
much.
be about nobody make it or not. Everybody should be involved. If you're gonna unite everybody, it should be a thing where everybody get a chance.
But not only that, I should be in the match because remember me did come over here and pull up and beat.
One go.
So if you want unity, may I tell you, if you want unity, I don't know, Raja my friend, I'm a dupes, and Raja did call me to come in at the match, and me even send him the picture with me and police, and I think him said full or something. Him did tell me said full, but me don't know if them going a Raja head. I don't know, I don't care, I don't want
But Miss Blinga, if you're gonna, alright, so you're gonna, remember, so them say them unite everybody, you know. You can't say you unite everybody, so everybody get a chance to be in it. You cannot talk about say
That's why I'm saying, let me tell you this. Me tell people, you know, one time one producer did tell me, say, him want to do one song with me and one of my friend. But him nobody that get him away with me. I tell him, say, if me not depend that the track that now gone away. And him laugh after me and think a joke me and me. And the song put out. And the song not gone nowhere.
Right, that's all.
Because you see, remember me have my own Bumbaras platform. I could have run my own promoting plan. And if me not promote that the song, that now go nowhere.
And that's enough for them dirty producer yet, and you know, music engineer and them gatekeepers and them people, you know. You see, from a female that try to get a boss in the business, them want to sample the cookie. You saw me I say, them want to sample the cookie. And enough for the woman them go fall for the promise and the nice talk. And this a man knock it. Them go over here so see them nice talk and them fall feet. This a man knock it. Till them turn pass around in the industry and nobody not really take them serious. So I saw the industry work, and if the woman them a hold hard in pan them and now give it up, them don't want to work with them. Them don't want to work with them. Enough of them a busting at the business, man, can tell you them story if them willing to tell you. Yeah, Queen Africa did come out and say an artist where she rate and look up to, and as a elder figure over him, have him way with her, and for years she hold it. I'll know she hold it because she not call him name, I'll know. And it look like she's a big respectable artist, so she not really want to call no name and get the backlash. So enough of the woman them go through in the music business. You understand me? Enough them go through.
Now me gonna tell TikTok this here. You see that unity business that what them a look for? You see if Blinga not in it, remember, Blinga is one of the persons who came over here, beat everybody.
You have to put RT night to call RT. And everybody is turn on for RT too. So
them say them are going to use peer rankers. And like I said,
Diamond night.
Yes, Diamond night.
All right, but you see, Raja and I are friends, real friends. And when Raja called me, I said, okay, that's nice, that's fine. But I don't know what. It's good that he called
she match last night. Yes, she and TJ play last night.
Rebel night.
Done, yes, done. They might keep it among them circles.
A friend and company.
Just because
that's why. But look,
it's about them friend and company.
And you know why I'm not shoot nobody? Because if Blinga not in there, me not shoot for nobody.
A friend and company thing. I just a friend and company.
I'm go over there and shoot for nobody.
Tomorrow,
nobody at all. A friend and company thing. They still have the dirty bad mind in them, you know.
They still have the dirty bad mind in them. People me like over there, me not shoot for them because I fuck right. So you do unity.
A friend and company thing, man. It's a friend.
I call Raja because this
me not put my bomber cloth over there and go shoot for nobody. Me love Raja. Me love Rosalie.
Last night like when Maya and TJ are
them regular match, but you see once I'm in that's something there, me not sure.
Maya hardly for the on TikTok again. A friend and company thing.
And she make money a blood clot at 3 pints sitting there she get 3 pint at likes and 11 pint at viewers.
We don't care about the money where they want to make. Them should have put everybody in it. That's how you do unity. You can't select.
It's a family affair.
They say a 16 team they pan football, so 16
family affair over there.
Look here, and the money where they make our problem. If you say you unite, everybody's supposed to be united.
Well, this is war because the people them are cause our court case this. Me sorry for them.
That's why I tell you say them glad to Ivany they are jail.
Blinga them still keep it among themselves.
But no problem, I go in this now because unity, I go fuck up now because of problem now.
But Mr. Then you saw other rankers one me never hear of.
I don't even watch the match.
That's somebody where you call that name, look what you call somebody names that they make, but I don't know that, never know, never hear that name they no.
Yeah man, so new people for the match one me never hear.
So no course. Let me press it. Alright, so people may advise. Yes, we advise not Raja on the cause me can't hear.
That's why I'm not come. Raja, you know I love you. I love Rosalie. I'm not come out on a dirty match because I don't unity that. I buy a company. Blinga, I don't even watch. Because
Raja, the people them upset. The people them upset, Raja. Them say me not in the tournament. You not talk me can't hear cause me a call him and me not get him.
Bias.
All the other Candy, all of a sudden, oh, she get bigger than you. Candy with the K. Oh, she feel a match. She get bigger enough. I remember one time she used to get the cup with the rankers. Them now want accept her. No.
None of them never used to want accept her because
she get enough now. To me like her, she get enough.
Everybody know.
People them, Raja, me have you make people them a ear. We are sending voice note to Raja because Raja did call me for real. True.
But Raja not got nothing to do with this still, you know.
Raja, this is a court case now, my love, because the people them
I think Blinga and RT should be in
them
it.
Bex, the people them say, me should have in there, but me tell them say you did call me. I mean, I know what go wrong. I think you did tell me say I'm go 16 team. Me must never make the cut. Raja, this is war.
100 team.
You can't have a limit for how much team.
There should be no limit. Everybody be paying a rank and everybody a player. So everybody should have in it. I don't know, selective few.
Hold on. Raja, call back.
Alright, so people may think it's a great initiative by Swiss and Royal Dog to take on it and execute it and get the people them involved in it. That are gonna bring, you know what I mean, a different feel to the app and everybody, you know what I mean, just in a one accord. You see it. So it's a good look, but you know say couple people are gonna get left out. Raja say him explain it. So here what him gonna say you know. You see it, him gonna explain it. But it's a good look. I don't see nothing too wrong with it. And the girl when named Candy, she a build a good team. You understand? She a go on with herself on TikTok. You see me? She promote herself. She push herself out there. She come, she dance, she entertain. So she kind of build up her team. And she a get a lot of support. So more that me kind of see why them put she in it. Blinga, you know. Remember say Blinga is not a ranker like that, you know. But she and couple of them good. So if them a go take out somebody outside to make it work, them a go want to take out Blinga because Blinga know they per match every day a play with them. You see me? Bling keep her show, so them now go really skip out somebody else to play a match and put she in the team. Them prefer to put somebody where you play a match where them know say that person have a team. That person have people who give them. So when them a go up against that person, them know say them a go get a challenge. So the challenge meaning you know say them a go get more support from them people because the bigger the challenge is when them a play or the bigger the competition is, the more gift the competition I get or the more gift them a go get. Yes, what I say? So tell me if you don't understand when I get that.
something to them will do no money every day.
Hold on, people.
But then Brit not in there.
All right, everybody top of the night. Roger.
Yo.
You're the pan speak. You're the pan live with 100 million people. And Roger, this is court case. I have to do what the people them say. The people them say. The people them are cuss over you like crazy and I say, oh, you never put me in the match and me supposed to in it. And you wicked and you lie. I know unity now build back. I know not going to do it amongst us.
Listen, I could understand TikTok has a lot of people, has a lot of rankers. You understand? And if them ever say it's biased, Britain in a India, Shotgun in India, there's a lot of people. I understand would want everybody, but it's gonna be long and drawn out.
Make it long and drawn out.
You see me never orchestrate it, but I do understand that. Here's what I'm trying to say, but the only thing could have happened is that the names could have been ruffled where who get picked just get picked.
Get picked. Let me do that.
One theme some type of way. But it is where you are. But it is what it is. What we are gonna do? The people them just sometimes like to spiral things in a different way. Didn't I say to you in the beginning I wanted you to be a part of it?
Me tell them say you call me. Me tell them you call me and
people even get them name put in and it have to get taken off because it can only be 16 teams. From 16 to 8, from 8 to 4, from 4 to 2. You understand? If it's not 16, it have to be 32. And 32 is going to be way drawn out and long. And then it's just going to get boring and you want some fun. So what they initiated that, they're going to do another one. And some of the people that were in this one won't participate in the other one.
None of the one.
The thing that could have been done. When people, the first thing them are going to say, this is not about peace and it's about among ourselves and whatever. Why don't start them type of rumors?
Because that's what they stay.
If things just start seems negative, this is not about negativity. You understand? Many people don't get entered, but still watch them under the live, still watch them cheer for who them are cheer for, whatever, because it is what it is. Everybody couldn't participate. And people will just try to be more understanding at times than try to be cantankerous and make problems. You understand what I say? Because people just quick to start blow up the negative issue or the side of it. When you have the real World Cup and every country enter and the country them can't vex and stay biased, it is what it is. Yes,
but that's what we're saying, that the chosen few, only the chosen few in it.
Britney should have in it, because Britney has found that. Britney should have been number one in it out of everybody else. If Diamond in it, Britney could have in it.
Britney never did in there either. So, I guess we cannot feel that liquor bad.
Britney, I found that Britney make all of them come over here, so Britney should have in it.
Yeah, Britney should have in the free dance.
If nobody else not in the free, should have in there. All another girl
Britney should have in there, but too much she did, top of the line and whatever.
No matter what.
I agree. To be honest, I agree. It's not like I disagree. You understand? I disagree, but what? Listen to me too. One have to understand, because some of you people only just negative. Listen. Because a lot of you people just look on things from one side. I said to Brittany, I wanted you to be my partner. Even before that, still, it was set for me and Arthur to be partner, but I wanted to get her encouraged to be a part of it. Brittany never seems encouraged. The thing is that Brittany is like, some of the people that know so we are do the World Cup, and we ask everybody come under the live so we can discuss it or whatever. Nobody not come. Everybody stay them ways. It's like them want people call them down and say, we're on a day. All of these things. So it's not like Brittany was showing the energy like she wanted to be a part of it either. You understand what I'm trying to say? I wanted her to be a part of it. That's why me go to her and say, Brittany, I wanted you to be my partner. What you think? And
somebody where you want in there.
The decision, Brittany still don't say to me she want to be my partner. Only thing she said, okay, when the day come, I hear what they must say and stuff like that. It's like, if I say, I want you to be my partner, it's a yes or no thing. Right. If she did say yes, straight up, me I tell you.
Exactly, Raja, you're right. You're so right.
Yes. Up up to today, may I ask Brittany if she's gonna be my.
So, Brit is a person like this way. Brit not really in a certain things. You know what I mean? We know say Brit head no 100 already. So, you will get a okay from Brit. And then when it come to the time, no Brit. Brit work off our mind at the moment. You understand me? I say because them we plan with Brit same way and Brit just let them down. But what them are go on with still, me not see nothing wrong with it. It's a good thing cause them end up, if it's a competition, I more give that for them. Yes, so me I say, so that is a good look. Cause enough of the time, the rankers them, him no deal with him and she no deal with him and she no deal with she. And when that happen, it make them make less. If you never know. You see when the whole heap of foolishness go on, they make less on the app. You know why? Because them now go get the competition where them need. And the people them we are give them want to see the competition. If them not see the competition, if them see them puny and you know what I mean, no energetic and a go on, them now go on give them so. But once them see say yo the energy did it, the vibes did it, everybody good and them way there, people are go on give, you know what I mean? That team yeah, I go on film team win and them way there. So when even a Royal Dog and a Rajana talk, that bad for the two of them. Because right, there's a little competition could have go on between the two of them tout each other and it hype up them different side for give. You understand? So I don't see nothing wrong with this. But everybody now gonna be a part of it. I just that are the thing. People are gonna feel some type of way. And as I said before, them would have rather pick a ranker over Bling we keep sure. Because them know say the ranker have a team. Bling maybe have a team, yes, but them now go show up right through for Bling. I just saw it go. So them would have pick a ranker over Bling.
One thing from both ways.
Yeah, you have a point there, so.
Social person. He never acted as if he wanted to be a part of it. And that's just the truth.
Well, if you say that you have a point, so we
Even
can
when them on the live and World Dog on Twitter say, send call Brittany. Where is Brittany?
you know what I'm going to then. That different then, well.
You understand what I'm saying? So people for look on the thing and stop focusing on the negative. Because
You simply the thing with cheese
honestly
people.
speaking, majority of the people that are dictating stuff and are focused on the negative, they got no substance, meaning they are not meaningful to the app. Them don't want to the app better. A lot of them like the problems because that's what they thrive on.
But you have to know that people are going to ask them, the people that when them not see them. Because remember, not everybody are going to know about the World Cup, you know.
Like Bella, Walla Black and your dirty
Like
bomber class.
Me personally hear them saying when them have the box, when them have pull up the people and for discuss it, I personally heard them sending for Brittany. You understand? And I personally
RT and Blinga no involved. I miss
I mean, just hear about it. I'm not going to tell a lie. I just hear about it right now, right? That's how we are talk. So,
Brittany
yes, I talk off right just now.
went on her live, and when them asked her if she's not going to be a part of the World Cup, Brittany said, Roger was supposed to be my partner, and him saying no want to be my partner no more. For me look bad. That's what Brittany did. And up to today, may I ask Brittany if she wanted to be my partner. She did not say yes. She did not answer me.
Roger, the people them must say.
Screen record where she had the people them say me choose Arthur over her, and she did not acknowledge me.
Roger, the people them a type in a comment and say, why wasn't Blinga involved?
Blinga wasn't involved because it was full. It's that simple. Them the need for try talk or why. It is obvious. Everybody couldn't be a part of it. I wanted everybody to be a part of it. But 32 teams, it's going to make it long, drawn out, and boring. And it's going to be coin consuming. It's going to be extra expense on the gifters. And people have to be considerate.
Exactly.
So me ask you a question now. When the gift of them come out, when the player them come out 365 days a beg, and I sit up on the gift of them.
Hello,
32 days pertaining to 330.
Can I say something?
Me want to ask.
Okay.
Miss Bling, Nisha, are we bigger than you on the app? Are we and Nisha bigger than you on the app?
Who names
Are we and Nisha bigger than you on the app?
Before the World
Because them in a World Cup too.
All right, Roger, the live your phone, so you explain. All right.
And then just come
Few
back.
days before the World Cup,
him say ma come, so una ready count and know say ma privy council.
Money dream, yeah, this money dream. Missy Nisha and Owe in a football clothes last night.
Oh, Ivany Owe.
Yes, cause when me see them last night, not Ivany Owe, one Jamaican young boy and young girl. Them yes, in a, I see them and me say, oh, them bigger than Blinga and they in there. Them all them feel like that.
This is not a matter about who's not bigger. Who are talk Blingers? Who are speak?
Sexy Tasha think or pretty little thing.
Sexy Tasha problem. This is not about who is bigger or who is not big. This is not about that. It's not about who is bigger.
Mia asks. It's Mia asks.
Powerful on the app. I've seen Short God got #1 3 times consecutively, and Short God is not a part of the World Cup. Why are you making problems, Sexy Tash? Why are you such a problem maker?
Can nobody now make no problem? People just want to ask questions and know things.
No, wait, Roger, wait.
When you are do?
Roger, wait, a pretty little thing.
I'm here ask.
What are you doing?
I'm here ask. Stop blaming girl. It's just a ask.
A pretty little thing, not Sexy Tash. Pretty little thing.
He gone already. He can't turn back. He screenshot already.
Well, whatever.
You have too much problem and not too cantankerous. And Blingers, let me tell you, some of them to come out of the blood clot court because nothing here is to be in court. Nothing here is to be discussed. Some of them love too much blood clot problem. And that with them. I want to come over here come tell some fuck me and say. And that I want to come over here.
One thing though, people, no matter how you take it, people are going to group up and them are going to talk about the hot topic. First time, woman used to walk a different woman yard and them sit down and them chat people, chat everybody business. Then you reach to people start call people and chat people business. Why you think all Perkins online and them people used to get so much listeners? Because people business nice. You know what I mean? People love drama. Them love listen to other people business. So this are the place from Blinga live where people come, them voice them opinion, them listen to what go on in the space and them just get entertained. Most of what them say, enough of them not really mean it, just for entertainment, although it's at a next person's expense. You understand what I mean? So I just saw it, you see, once you're out there in the limelight, I go get talk about. You can't change it. I just saw it thing set. So when you sign up for out there as a personality, people are going to talk. So you just have to take it and just have thick skin. So then people up on the live when they ask questions, enough of them want to stir up a little drama, yes, because of that entertain them. But at the end of the day, I don't think they mean nothing by it.
I want to tell someone over here, come over here for get a blood clot vice. You come over here for smarty soon, because you no recognizable. Nobody no soon no blood clot. Somehow no come for problem. Somehow no for come down. Me and Blinga KC, King's Council. And Blinga, let me tell you, some of them need to come down out of this blood clot. Cause them no make no sense. All when them see peace I try make. All if
Them want war.
them
Really?
still want them to come stop me somehow. From I don't know some blood clot one. Me I bring down some
No,
out to the game. Some of them come back. Some of the worse than the people them in the garrison.
Where people them like comment and say Bling? Bling, where people them like comment and say?
Then they say true.
Where people them like comment and say?
Then switch them out down. You know what I'm
Them a say a true, him a talk. Them a say a true, them
The people them a say like comment and I can't see comment them.
Problems too much.
Then switch them out.
Problematic. That is the thing. And you guys are dictators. You guys are dictators.
I put
You
that
like
with
to
father.
dictate what happens, how it happens, and who it happened to. You guys must not be dictators because anybody's a dictator is not somebody good. Because when you want to dictate what happens, you're a controller. You're a narcissist.
Slide your phone from left to right now. People are ask questions because people don't know about the World Cup and people want know things. People don't know about the World Cup and people want to know. It's just a simple question and after your Bvss Raja.
Yeah, but no,
people want to know.
The unity go on, no, see, say unity.
Yeah, but we're not to know. Listen
We don't know anything about the World Cup and we're free
You have
to
to ask questions. If you don't know things, you have to ask questions.
Yeah, but no ask good questions.
It's a friend and company. It's simple.
I was on their live when they were throwing it out and said anybody want to join the World Cup to come in at the box. And who went at the box and said them want to join the live, go in the World Cup.
All the comments
So no must stop the man.
So they ask you a question now. So the two somebody who start who are the owner for the World Cup? Who are the founder for the World
Chippy
Cup?
and Swiftly, they come together and put it on. Swiftly and Chippy.
Can I say something? It's not about
Anybody want in the comment and say me enough or no lucky, me no know nothing about the World Cup and me free to ask questions.
Girl,
You're free, everybody.
It's not about rankers. I was on their live. It's the first 16% come right down their name. They will have a part
that's true.
2. It's not about rankers. You're not asking a question. You're saying something like it's right.
Don't
Don't come up here for me. Nobody now say no war on it. People just want to ask questions. Don't come up for me. Don't come up for me. Don't come up for me, you're bright.
Just a dash it out like that, like something they know how it team pick. We never know nothing. And just wait on the turn. Just listen to them and I say Raja talk. Listen. Una attack them. We don't know how the team them pick. Just listen and ask the question and listen and wait for your answer. That's the problem, girl.
Guess what? He said that when say to me, him have a point. Cause you know, say me did want to know what happened to.
Alright, let me say something.
He said Britannia, Short God, and some more other rankers.
But the comment section is talking about rankers and Owie and Nisha. It's not about rankers. It's a matter about the first 16.
It's the persons who wanted to play.
The first 16 person that goes and write down their name with their partner. That's the first 16 they use.
Exactly. And it is true.
And it's not matter about rankers.
And she talked about it. She declined. So I'm going to say Brittany should have punished. She chose not to be a part of it. Brittany wasn't interested.
To 16 because it's going to be long and drawn out. It's not about rankers. It's about the first.
We don't know anything about it. The Blinga people them don't know anything about it, and we're free for ask questions.
Good afternoon. That's about
What's the animosity about the Messi and the Brazil? What's going on?
The people that have questions about the World Cup. So they are saying why I am not in the World Cup. So the people that upset said the World Cup keep me in it. But Raja, can we say a lot of us are not in it because Brick not in it, Shark God not in it, some other more rankers not in it. So it couldn't go 32 teams. It didn't have to go 16 because it could have long and draw out.
Can me come here with the echo?
Yeah.
Alright.
You never echo before, Moko. Alright.
But some day your phone I do that still. Me don't know what happened to that.
Everybody phone I do it.
Oh.
Yeah, better now.
So what
Stop saying about rankers. It's not about rankers. Get it, girl. It's not about rankers.
Who put on the World Cup? Alright, who this attack? Pepsi?
Yes, Miss Blinga.
Who put on the World Cup?
Switzerland and World Dog.
Alright, Switzerland are really too dig me. Number one. Me no know, me just say, which it don't really matter to me either. You have to understand. He explained, to me, him explain well, because guess what? Britannia like in it. Shotgun in it. And some more in it. So, me not really to nowhere.
Miss Blinga, they will have in a part 2 after this one. But it's not about rankers.
You see, anybody have a problem, tell them go start a World Cup.
Exactly.
Tell them go start a World Cup, because them love too much problem. You see, if them have a problem, them go start a World Cup. Them love too much bangarang. I'm going to come over here to take some of them apart limb by limb today. Because them for go with them mouth. And them mouth start be a problem. Some of them for move and go.
Even Raja
some
was
of
on
them
the
for
live
go.
today and
They don't, them are go like say them blood clot. Nobody obligated to give them the explanation. Nobody not obligated to give them the explanation because first of all, World Dog and Swiss never had to initiate it. They never had to. And none of these bum-ass blood clot where chat never go start a World Cup. Why them never did start it first? Tell them to move them blood clot and go and come up for the World Cup shot. Them come like a piece of bumbo clot.
People, this not deserve that type of reaction there. You see me? You don't deserve that type of reaction there. You see it? Because the people them just ask some question. Them not try to stir up nothing. Them a talk about how them not involve them favorite person. Some of them maybe a try to stir up a little thing, but you know what I mean, for the most part, I think say boy, all of them a try to stir up nothing. I feel like them just genuinely want some answers because them don't know what go on with it and them just want get some answers. And him are the person where they give the answers. So them just are throwing them questions. Everybody are throwing them questions. So him kind of bombarded with peer questions. So him maybe feel like say I attack them or attack him. So him a put up defense and you know what I mean, that not needed. You see me I say that don't needed. So upon a level the people them can ask them question. So people remember me I go share the something with cheese. So here I go on. Me just watch some more of this, maybe a couple more minutes. Then me share the thing about cheese. If cheese give Ivany, tell me in the comment section.
There are ways. It was a rush thing. It wasn't planned. It wasn't orchestrated at how it could have been. There are ways we could have done it to make the selections seems more fair, but it's still fair because it's just the first set of teams that sign up first, them use. Anybody who did come late after the 16 get drop off.
Exactly.
And I don't think that is bias. I don't think that is bias. That is not bias. And these people like problems. And them a come like nobody owe them the explanation. Them want to know this and them want to know them bumbo class.
Okay, so I guess you explain it now because them never know that.
Them know. Them know. I know them know you love blood clot bangarang. I know you like Ava bangarang, so them a bring it to you. So you start problem. The people them want people eat your woman.
No.
Yeah.
Listen,
Blingers them want people eat you. Them know. It was explained over and over.
Exactly. And the comment section is a mess.
But them know say Blinga easy for accept and should bring anything in the court.
Yeah, comment section is the worst
problem. Blingers them
So let me ask you a question now. Who come up with this World Cup thing? Here Raja said, then know. And while we hear about this World Cup, I don't know what is a World Cup.
I see that I mean, say if you just know that mean, you know not to be a part of it if you just know. It's simple because if you just know that means you're not attentive on the app.
Exactly.
Start from when.
Just hear somebody just come up about World Cup, say them have World Cup. So they ask what kind of World
So
Cup.
anybody when don't know, it means you guys are not attentive on the
Alright, so me I go share the thing with Cheese say about Ivany, you know, and then me play one little piece more at this because them did a talk some more, but they did kind of echo. Me have couple more minutes side. So here me I go play the thing with Cheese, you know. I want to tell me in the comment section, you know, people, if I give a Cheese, give a Ivany, and even notice say she give a Ivany or is just a regular talk because that are the slang right now. So me I go play the video, you know, and then me go back to this what them a talk about. See? Alright, so hear the audio, yeah, my people. Listen this.
Alright, call me for a video call. Alright, it's a cut off now. Love your girl. Take care. We're here for you. Yeah. Love you. Right, that's why you come out with friend. That's a party. The sound. Yes, the dolly over running. The dolly now ball.
Alright, so me share this with Uno in our previous video, and somebody point out to me say, you hear Cheese I call Ivany Dolly. This is the first time I ever hear Cheese I refer to Ivany as a Dolly, and in a Jamaica is a new slang. Mostly the girl them who do them body, people refer to them as Dolly. You understand? So Cheese referring to Ivany as a Dolly make it seems to some people, because as me say somebody pointed out to me and I say, listen there, Cheese boss what Ivany gonna do. You see me I say? So Cheese referring to her as Dolly make it look like say she really gonna do her body. And the person we in the video with Cheese, we in the audio with Cheese, and Cheese I tell Ivany say, yeah, you know her. Why Ivany would I tell them say for video call her? Why? Because if you lock way, nobody can video call you like that. Because them wouldn't know when and if you're there on the phone for video call. You have to either call them and say, yo, video call me. No. Or them have to video call the person. You see me I say? So how that the person there in the first place, Ivany say she don't know the person. A Cheese have to tell her who the person is. And then Ivany say, alright, video call me to the person. So that little audio, yeah, me don't know what them did I try to do with it, but whatever them did I try to do with it, it no work out because this just make people a pre in the situation, and you know say enough people not convinced already say Ivany there, which part them say Ivany there. You see me? So wanna make me know wanna think about the audio, yeah. You see it. I go play some more of the thing with Raja, maybe a couple minutes, and then me end it. So
then to know everybody just pick out and them say so make it everyone bring the blood court because no peace now go dey fire. So that is it.
Let me tell you, peace after there. You know why? You say anybody go for the World Cup, I'm coming at you. I promise you. I'm coming at you, and I'm coming at you loaded, G. I'm telling you, I'm coming at you loaded. You think I can't war? I'm prepared for war, and I'm coming at you. Leave the World Cup alone. I don't love too much problem. I don't love too much problem. I don't love too much problem.
Look here.
I don't know see on one problem when no problem no need for me.
Wait. You just threatened me?
Yes, I threatened you, lady. I just did.
Well, listen to me, Roger.
Let's go. Let's do it. I love you. But L-O-V-E love. L-O-V-E love. All right then. Let's break the love for 10 minutes. Try me. Go for the World Cup.
No. Listen. I was coming.
May I put the love in our box for 10 minutes? Try me.
Listen what I said. When the people come every minute, different come and say, Blinga, I said, well, that actually so in the future, because I mean, some start, some time, some need, whatever.
You feel entitled. You feel entitled. Why you feel entitled? Blinga. You don't need to be entitled. Shut up.
Leave me alone.
Shut up, lady. Shut up. Shut up.
You come cry, please. Roger, leave me alone. You come, you
Blinga's never call you after the app. I say after when I call up on WhatsApp, I can tell you some word. I
don't care.
Yes, it's true. Yes, it's true. The dirty people, them, when I got to no screen record, get this, you screen recorders. Suck me. Get this. Suck me. Get this. Leave the World Cup alone. And if you don't got a problem, wait there. Hold up, Blingas. Bella.
Yes.
How are you there?
Me vex cause she's me just never watch
No, nobody vex Bella, you know me don't stand for bullshit. And I got zero tolerance for bullshit. It doesn't matter where it is or who it is. You know that. And you know if I smell some type of phony, I would have spoke out. I would have said something.
That's why we
you know that they are fucking.
That's why Blinga, my friend, she called you and asked you.
Roger, my team, I wonder how many of the World Cup put them there and say. So me know, I said, when Roger had called me about the World Cup.
And I called you. I actually did. I'ma tell you, say, them a go over there Sunday in the box. Didn't I tell you that? Didn't I say everything to you?
Listen now. When the people them make the World Cup, them have a problem steady with the matic.
Steady with the matic, tell them shoot it and put your number one in America. No.
Anyway.
It's bigger than the World Cup. Right now you get number one in America. I thought them for steady with. No pussy all kinds where we are Jamaica no get. Tell them steady with the blood clot matic and shoot. Blingers, me see you over here when you beg for yourself. Them no want here when you beg for your people. Them here. Talk to me now. Me mix up your blood clot. Me see you over here. Let me talk. I me let it go. I me turn on my camera.
Roger, me talk about this all the time. So you
all right. Me see your blood clot over here. You beg like you're blind. And them now give you as you beg for somebody. Them no, you get it. You know, see say blood clot. Them interested in our people more than you.
So people, I got in it right here, so you see me I say. So let me know what you think in the comment section. You know what I mean? So yeah, right here, so I got in it.